How's it going, everyone? Hope everyone's doing good. Brainiac Productions here with another chainsaw exclusive. I think I got this on eBay. eBay was 100 and I don't know, like $20. Cheap. There's a bar. Another mixing jug, a funnel. That will come in handy because I'll use it today for my transmission on my truck. There's the chainsaw. Here's the chain. Looks like it's a full chisel chain too, so that's cool. 12-inch bar. Nothing too fancy. I just wanted a top handle saw for limbing up the trees, and here we go. Thing's pretty sweet. Watching videos, and I really like the way this saw performs, so I thought I'd give it a try. Anyways, pretty nice. Decent construction. I don't think I'm gonna do much to it, because I don't really limb much, but plus I still gotta get a couple things before I can get up into my trees here. I want to do it before the snow starts coming here in Arizona, but it's not like it's gonna be snowing all year round or all winter. Probably just get a couple snowstorms. Air filters. Interesting. Guess we'll see how it performs. I'll get some bar and chain oil in it. I'd rather get the YouTube channel. Funny if I didn't put it in the right line. No, it's in there. Let's do about 10. It's about to start raining here. Okay. I had a feeling this one would start up really. I'm just running at 32-1. I don't really feel the need to go 25-1. I don't know what's up with that. These chainsaw manufacturers, I don't really care if it blows up, it blows up. I mean, just to get into the trees, and if I need to get a saw up there and, you know, have to limb up in the tree or whatever, this will be plenty enough for what I need to. And it works great. Like, it's got a lot of power. I mean, maybe not a lot, but it's got plenty of power for what I'm gonna need to use it for. So yeah, it starts up pretty good too. Yep, that thing is pretty sweet though. First thing I'm going to do is dye these plastics black. I do like these cheap saws. I was a little hesitant at first, but I'm glad I bought this one and my other Neo-tec. I think Neo-tec is a good cheap saw brand, personally. If I'm going to get another saw, I don't think I'm going to get the Husqvarna. I'm going to get probably a Neo-tec, I don't know, 365. I think it's a fun saw. I know I'm being dangerous, but I'm having fun. If I go to the ER, that sucks, but I'll tell them I was having fun.